The best thing to do is download and install the JDK before you install Android Studio, Eclipse, or the IntelliJ IDEA compilator. Go to the Oracle official page and download the one appropriate for your operative system. I already have it, so I am not going to download it again. When the download is complete, just execute the installer. Then next, next, accept, next, and so on. At the end, you will have a Java folder. Go to the location of the bin folder and copy those. Now add those locations in the environment variables in the path section. Now let's make a little test. Just type javac in the command prompter. If you see this in the command prompter, the installation was a success. If Eclipse, Android Studio, or the IntelliJ IDEA compilator need the JDK folder, just add the same location.